Namaskar, myself Mrs. Santosh Arora. Students, today we will learn how to write K. Small k, K for kite, K for king, K for kangaroo, K for keg. Okay, so many words, you have to learn all the words. आपको सभी वर्ड्स को लर्न करना है अच्छे से और कैसे लिखना है अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी. लेट अस स्टार्ट. K. K for keg, K for king, K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for keg, K for king, K for kite, K for kangaroo. Classwork day 160. Trace and write the small letter K. Students, हमें यहाँ पर K लिखना है. Let us start. How to write? You have to keep your pencil here, then go up, then move, then standing line. Again go up, then move like that. K for kite. Watch it again carefully. How to write? K for king. K for kite. K for keg. K for kangaroo. K for kite. K for king. K for kangaroo. Write it carefully, neat and clean. K for kite. K for king. King means Raja. K for kite. Kite means Patang. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo is an animal. Okay. K for keg. Keg is wooden container. Okay. एक तरह का लकड़ी का कंटेनर होता है. You can say drum. K for kite. K for king. K for keg. Slowly, neat and clean. You have to write. Very good. K for kite. Okay. You have to practice 3 days. 2 line as a classwork, 1 line as a homework. You can increase your homework also. Now, worksheet number 1. Match the letters with the correct pictures. Students, these are letters, these are pictures. आपको इन letters से इन pictures को match करना है. Okay, let us start. C. C for, look at this. आप इसमें देखो C किससे मैच हो रहा है. C for cap. We will match with cap. G. G for girl. Will match with girl. B. B for bowl. I for ink pot. H for hand. J for jacket. K for king. Number 2. Tick the pictures that begin with the letter K. Student, these are pictures. जो पिक्चर K लेटर से स्टार्ट होती है उस पर हमने टिक करना है. Let's start. What is this? K for kangaroo. So we will tick here. What is this? देखो ये क्या है? This is a picture of hand. So we will not tick here because ये K से start नहीं हो रहा. What is this? Kite. K for kite. ये K से start हो रहा. So we will tick here. Now what is this? K for kettle. We will tick here. K for what is this? Cat. But cat जो होता है वो C से start होता है, K से start नहीं होता. So we will not tick here. What is this? Flower. Flower F से start होता है. So we will not tick here. K for key. Key means चाबी. So ये K से start हो रहा है. So we will tick here. What is this? This is a picture of king. K for king. ये K से start हो रहा है. So we will tick here. K for king. Now you know very well how to write K. So students, do neat and clean work and show your teacher your work. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.